It's Monday, June the 24th, 2024, and we're down on Rifle Range Road where they're doing the road construction, putting the culverts under the road to ease the flooding in that particular area. Doing a little of the excavating there, clearing out the ditches to help with the drainage. A little different look at what they're doing, and not just the culverts that they're putting in. We're coming from the Dollar General end of the Rifle Range Road, coming down into where the culverts are. See the old ones laying there beside that truck, that pickup. And we're going to a little closer look. Looks like they've got 4 buried right there. Now this is looking back towards the Dollar General and the Emerald Mountain Store, like you're going towards Peace Church Road. They've got quite a crew out there working on it. They've got a lot done in the last 10 days. Hopefully it won't take the whole 6 weeks, but if it does, it does. It'll make it for a better situation in that area. I'm sure the folks that live right there will be happier. Straight overhead look. Pirouette around the site there. Looking back towards Redland Road. Well, there you have it. The update for June the 24th. If you like this video, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button as well. It really helps out the channel. Thank you so much for watching.